We feel writing a task somewhere and creating a to-do list help us manage get more things done in a day. But sometimes we fail to do the most important and urgent things that we want to do. Where are we failing then? How do we manage to do the work effectively? In this video, I'm gonna share 6 time management tips to help you get more productive and get things done effectively. We all have 24 hours in a day. We can't change it no matter how organized we are. So we can't really manage our time. What we can instead do is manage ourselves so we get done things more effectively. With that being said, let's quickly move on to the next point. So we have two categories here. Category 1, tasks that need more hours to do, so we divide them into multiple days. And the category 2 is tasks that need few minutes to hours and that can be done in a single day. First, write the task you want to get done in a week. Then write 1 to 2 focus points or tasks to do every day to finish weekly tasks. For example, if your task for the week are read 50 pages in a book, clean the house, then divide those tasks into daily to-do list. For example, Monday read 20 pages, Tuesday read 20 pages. Wednesday, read 10 pages, clean the bedroom or any other area in your house that doesn't need much time to clean. Thursday, clean the living room and balcony. Friday, kitchen, Saturday, bathroom, and so on. Take 1 to 2 areas of your house in a day for cleaning. This way you have clear tasks for the whole week and for each day of the week. Each day you just have to focus on working on your tasks for that particular day. And if you manage to do that successfully, by end of the week you would finish doing all the tasks for that particular week. Now coming to the category number 2 tasks that need few minutes to hours and can be done in a single day. For these tasks, instead of writing them all in one to-do list, finish them into 2 categories, priority 1 and 2. Priority 1, keep all the urgent tasks that you have to finish that day and move the remaining tasks to priority 2. Once you wrote all your tasks, then prioritize them again so that you get the more important tasks done first. So that by end of the day, even if you couldn't finish all the tasks in your to-do list, you would be satisfied that you have done the most important ones for that day. If your schedule allows, do it the first thing in the morning. It may not be possible for some of us when we have other non-negotiable tasks like going to work, school, college, cooking or taking care of the children. If it's not possible to do them first thing in the morning, then try doing them as soon as you are done with your non-negotiable work. You can also apply the Pareto principle or the 80-20 rule, which states that 80% of the outcomes are often driven by 20% of the causes. Applying this to time management, focus on the top 20% of the activities that will bring 80% of the results. Focus on working on the most important tasks that bring more value, instead of working on the least important task and ticking off the items from your to-do list. As I mentioned in my other video, download a time tracking tool and track your everyday activities for a week. Then at the end of the week, you can assess where your time goes, what are your time wasters and how you can manage to make the time for the things you want to do. This will help us understand where our time is going and also in planning how to spend our time in the future effectively. For some it's in the morning, for others it could be in the evening or night. Just focus on your mood and track it for a week. Then you will know the most productive time of your day. And once you know it, you will be able to plan your work effectively. Don't overload your day or calendar with a long list of to-do lists. Take some breaks in between so that you will be able to recharge and be more productive. And sometimes certain tasks take more time than expected. If you keep a buffer in between, you don't have to worry about missing the next task. Don't forget to take some time off to do the things that you love doing. It could be spending quality time with your family, going on a walk or watching your favorite show or movie. Because at the end, it's about balance. You can do it long term only when you balance and enjoy your journey. So what are your time management tips? Comment them below. I'm eager to know and it could help others too. If you find this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe and press that bell icon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.